Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly, and welcome to my course, Designing for Advanced Security within AWS. I am a senior software consultant. Designing for security is essential, especially in the cloud. You want to keep things running smoothly, and you don't want to be the next company data loss story in the news. In this course, we're going to cover some best practices and key AWS services to help keep your account secure and your applications protected. If you're studying for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional exam, you're in the right place. Some of the major topics that we will cover include locking down your accounts and users, managing keys and certificates, firewall protection, and threat detection. By the end of this course, you will be able to secure your users, accounts, and applications using robust and effective tools in AWS and have a solid foundation for your exam preparations. Before beginning the course, you should have a basic understanding of AWS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about securing your AWS resources with the Designing for Advanced Security within AWS course at Pluralsight.